How to make a custom thumbnail. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahlet Tamaga and I help you, MT Gang, with tips and tricks to grow your social media influence. If you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own thumbnails to look spotless and you can rank. And when you rank on search, your videos get clicked on. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay, let's start off with this. What is a thumbnail? A thumbnail is the picture which you see before you click on a video. For example, the picture you saw before clicking on this specific video. For example, it would have been something like, and maybe change the contrast and the lighting situation and edit some vignettes or vignette, whatever they call it. Yeah, so that is what is a thumbnail is. And so why is the thumbnail a deal breaker? So most of y'all are asking yourselves, why does my thumbnail have to look the best? So say probably now you've made your video and the video is supposed to go up on search. YouTube is recommending your video doesn't get clicked on. It's most probably because you have not made the best thumbnail that you can. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make this thumbnail. The first step is thumbnail style. So you have to get your thumbnail style, and my thumbnail style is you have to get the colors you like to use and the position. So my thumbnail style, I like to stand like this, but I'll be standing up at the moment. I'll be standing like this. Put some text somewhere here. So that is my thumbnail style, and most of all I use red for my color text, and I used to have borders around my text, but right now I'm using Canva.com, and I'll put the link to Canva in the description down below. You just have to have a thumbnail style, and I just stand like this, put some text, random text. Tip number 2, which is color. Colors you have to have in your thumbnail are bright. You have to have an attracting thumbnail. The thumbnail must be eye-attracting, and if your thumbnail is not eye-attracting, you are not most probably going to get your videos clicked on. So you have to have bright colors in your video, because bright colors are the ones which attract more eyes. So if your video is not eye-catching, people are not going to click on it. So the goal is to get your video clicked on. Tip number 3 is uniqueness. I don't really like calling it copycats, but they like copycats. People go and see big YouTubers making these thumbnails and they want to try these thumbnails out, and we see that you are copying the person. So try not to copy other people's thumbnails. Make your own unique thumbnail style, because people don't want to watch a copycat. Tip number 4, if you think that your thumbnail is going to get you watch minutes, then you're wrong. I hate to break it to you, but your thumbnail just attracts viewers. So what you have to do is that you are the one who has to make the best video. In the first 4 seconds, you have to attract the video. You have to attract the viewer. So don't be like, make the best thumbnail as possible and I'm click on it. Okay? Like this video, click on it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is what am I going to do? Click off. Yeah, I'm clicking off. I'm not going to watch someone who's going to be like, hello. No, I'm not gonna watch someone's gonna do that. No. I'm gonna watch someone who's going to be, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahlet Tamaga and I help you tips and tricks to grow your social media influence. And the viewer is gonna be like, much energy, I like that. I'm gonna watch this video because he's giving us some energy, which means he respects us. You see, so that is the kind of positive energy you want to give towards your audience. You don't want to give them negative energy. So the thumbnail doesn't really mean that you're gonna get watch minutes. The video will determine on that. So your thumbnail is deal breaker because it gets eyes to click on the video, and your video is the one that keeps viewers on your platform, and if you can keep viewers on the platform and viewers keep on watching videos from your channel, YouTube is going to recommend your videos to other viewers, and which is going to get you grow fast and fast. So that's one of the tips. And tip number 5 is editing your thumbnails. So I said I use Canva.com for editing my thumbnails, and the main things which I like to do on Canva.com is that I like to drag the picture, put it in motion, then adjust the brightness. Okay, I adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and this one I forgot what it's called, which I like to use, but Canva really makes it easier for you. I just started on Canva, but it really makes it easier for you with videos. So that's what I really love about Canva, and I'm looking to make more of my thumbnails on Canva.com, unless I get a better website, which I think I'm not going to get anytime soon, because Canva is the best, which is free. I really like the fact it's free, because as small YouTubers, we don't have a lot of money to spare, you check. So we don't really have a lot of money to spare, so I'm just going to make my thumbnails on Canva. Tip number 5 or 6, I forgot. So tip number 5 or 6, yeah, a thumbnail which has a face in it is most likely to have more views than a thumbnail without a face within it. It's proven, and it doesn't necessarily mean that if your face is in the thumbnail, you're going to get views. Your face has to have emotion in it. I've studied this for 1 whole year. Okay, let me not say 1 whole year, because the first 5 months I was just playing around in YouTube. Okay, 6 months. So I've studied this in the last 6 months, and the thumbnail with emotion in it, the people is going to want to click on it. For example, if I had, not me, it doesn't work for me, but I don't know how to bring emotion to my face. That's something. But I'm going to study that on how to bring some emotion into my face. But you have to bring emotion into yourself when making a thumbnail. Like for example, if you like then some text written here, something which doesn't, for example, so you are like this, then the text is like, I got pranked by my mother. You know, like from most pranks are not done by mothers, so the viewer is gonna ask themselves, I haven't seen this, so why not me? Why not click on it? So click on the video, and there you are. Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. I got pranked by my mother. The viewer is gonna keep on watching because there's emotion. They can see the emotion right through you, and even though I'm making this video, you can see the emotion. I don't know which state of mind I'm in right now, but the emotion, I don't know. Okay, let's just move on. But you just have to have some emotion in you, and try make it cool. Try make it fun. And tip number 6 or 7, yeah, your text. If you add text to you don't have to add text to your thumbnail, but if you add text to your thumbnail, just make sure that you don't have a lot of characters. For example, have 3 to 5 words in it, because the moment you have more than those characters in the video, a viewer is most probably not going to read all the text. Just imagine if there was a paragraph right here. We're gonna read that, you're most probably not going to read that shit. You are going to scroll down and look for a better thumbnail, because most people don't look at thumbnails. They don't look at titles, they look at thumbnails. And if you have a trusted thumbnail, who's going to click on your video? Nobody, because they don't want a trash thumbnail, which means you're not putting hard work into your videos. And people want help or entertainment for people who put in the hard work. Just try and have 3 to 5 words, 5 words max. Have them right. That's why. And I hope that helps you a lot. I don't know if I'll be making a second part of this video, part 2 of this video. But if you want me to make part 2 of this video or any other video on my channel, just go down in the description, tell me, hey yo, let's see, we would like a video on how to film, yeah, something like that. So just make sure that your videos are on fleek before making your thumbnail, because nobody wants to watch when it's off fleek. So make sure your videos that are yeah. So those are my tips for you with the thumbnails, and this was kind of like, let me just stop blabbering around. But yeah, make sure your thumbnails are on fleek. And your videos are on fleek. And yeah, don't forget to check out my next video, which will be up on Sunday. Yeah, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.